Apple is unlikely to soften its stance after TRAI hit out at the iPhone maker, accusing it of being anti-consumer and engaging in data colonialization in India. Let's get in. Chandra Shrikant, she joins in with all the latest details from Bangalore. And Chandra, clearly the fight intensifies.
The fight intensifies, and at this stage Apple is refusing to give in to TRAI's demands. From what we understand from our sources, they have concerns with respect to privacy and also encryption of information, which is why they do not want to open up the Apple store to third-party apps, especially the DND app, which is an app developed by TRAI to track pesky calls and messages. The other concern for them is that the TRAI app does not meet some of the technology protocols that's required by Apple. So these are the two bones of contention. Remember, this issue has been going back and forth for the last few months, but it has now intensified with the TRAI chairman R.S. Sharma hitting out at Apple, accusing them of engaging in data colonization and being anti-consumer by not allowing users access to their own data. There are mixed views coming on this because remember, Apple has been very steadfast when it comes to allowing third-party apps to access user data. This is something, an issue that they face in the US as well versus the FBI, and they are really refusing to give in to the TRAI here, citing privacy concerns, saying that once they really open it up to a third-party app, then the entire user call data, messages, everything gets compromised. So that's Apple's stance so far on privacy, and it's unlikely to change despite that protest coming in from TRAI.
Okay, Chandra, thanks very much for joining in and giving us all of those details. So we'll have to wait and watch how this issue and this tussle really pans out between TRAI versus Apple, who's refusing to back down.